Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a product review of the Silk Me Out bundle from the Press Play system by the DOUX. If you're new here, my name is Brittany and thanks for coming to my channel. Let's be friends. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hold up. This is the best silk press I have done at home. Wait, let's read before I put this on. What it do? Check this out. I'm here with this puff, no makeup, because I am excited. This package just got here to me, and you already know what I'm about to start talking about, because you clicked on this video. We're about to get into the Press Play system from the DOUX. The Silk Me Out bundle, baby. That's what I bought. All right. I still got all the plastic stuff up in there. Bang. Shebang. Can I, by the way, this is unsponsored. Okay, just to put that out there. This is gonna be unfiltered, letting you guys know what I feel about these products. I am excited to do my hair. I gotta get a run to the beauty spot store because I need a boar brush and just a few more things to just, you know, a few more tools to help my technique. And I watched the live, so they kind of explain how, you know, what's after what and what step is after this and when you should do that. And is this on wet hair, dry hair, blah, blah, blah. Yes, I did some research and I'm gonna do it in the right order. Because when I first saw this, girl, I'm glad I wasn't the only one that was confused. Because I was like, oh, okay, all right. And then after that, oh, okay, why are they like 28 products? Hold on. There's like a lot of steps here. And I ain't gonna front. I am guilty of skipping steps and doing things and taking pieces that are too thick. Not this time. We gonna do it right. And hopefully this Silk Me Out bundle gonna help take me there. I'm so excited. Okay, let's go. Let's get into this. Starting with the shampoo process, here I am waiting for my low porosity hair to be fully saturated with water. If you have low porosity hair, you already know the struggle. According to the instructions for best results, apply this to hair free of heavy oils and heavy waxes. So I'm going in with my ORS neutralizing shampoo because that's the closest thing I have to a cleansing shampoo. Then I'm going in with the Press Rewind. This is a really moisturizing shampoo, and to my discovery, it was also a detangling shampoo, which I ain't never heard of. So this is my about third lather, and on my third lather, I grabbed my detangling comb and I went for it, and I was surprised by the slip. Like, I never detangled my hair with shampoo in it before. Like, this is my hair freshly shampooed and detangled. What? Next is the Fast Forward Heat Prep Conditioner with duplex bonding technology, and baby, she is thick, okay? She will not come out the bottle. You see me pumping my hardest to get it out. But don't worry, I just twisted off the top, got it in my hand, and let me show you how thick the consistency is on this. Like, she won't move, she won't budge. But I wasn't risking it because $17.99 a bottle, child, no. Further ado, I have no notes. This was a great conditioner. Like, it fully moisturized my hair. It did what it had to do. I was very pleased. I did see in a heat cap because I have low porosity hair and I need heat for my hair to like soak it up. So I'd only spent maybe about 10 minutes, but which was way less than what my usual thing is. After detangling my hair, I thoroughly rinsed out the product, and I didn't super dry it off. I actually left my hair pretty wet, and this was on purpose. I'm gonna explain why. I saw a tutorial how to do your best humidity-proof silk press, and I'm gonna put the creator down in the tag. Her name escapes me, but she's a beautician. I looked up to see that Red Air suggests that your hair is wet when you are working with it, and it is better that you apply these two products when your hair is clean and wet and fresh out the shower, wherever it is you washing your hair, you washing the sink or whatever. For your most humidity proof silk press, you want to apply your leave-in and your serum to wet hair. I watched the live. For some reason, I couldn't find more clips of it. They suggest one pump for the whole head. or a pump and a half? I'm thinking with what I got, I'm thinking maybe like a pump and a half. We finna do it. One pump. Like, what? Okay. One pump for the whole head. That's what we got going on here. Now I am working the Just Glaze through my hair. I took what product was in my hand and split it in half and put one half on one side of my head, the other half on another, well, I guess third of my head, and then you'll see at the final end, I put more at the front of my head. I'm making sure that my hair is damp when I'm applying it and working it all the way through and twisting my hair at the ends and putting my twists into buns so that the hair stays damp and the product gets a chance to be soaked up into my hair.
This is a lot of thread.
Now I'm working in the silent treatment over my damp hair and the Just Glaze. Sorry, I couldn't help it. Every time I read it in my head, that's how I think it. I'm not alone, right? And by the way, I am taking way longer with my Rev Air for each section than I'm putting it in. I've seen some people be a little nervous about using the silent treatment because it's supposed to be a 30-day humidity protectant, and I ain't scared. And not gonna lie, this blowout looks like one of my flat iron sessions, so we're looking good. One press pass on deck. I'll be straightening my hair today with my Tymo comb. Yeah, y'all snatched me up in that Tymo wave 2 years ago, so I have one now. It's good. I like it. Not sponsored. I bought it for my own money. Same thing with the Rev Air. Not sponsored. Now on to the flat ironing process. There is protection up to 420. I'm going to be putting my heat styling tool up to 410. I'm brushing it through each section and going for it. Girl, you see that? Haha. So I'm working my way through the rest of my head in small sections and brushing things out if it's not coming out right, taking my time. Very few times did I have to go more than once. This is the best silk press I have done at home. Wait, let's read before I put this on. What it do? 2 drop shine, seals, or dry hair. I should have put this on when it was wet. Clarification, DOUX Drops is versatile enough to use on damp or dry hair. I kind of wish I bought Gangsta Rap too. I'm probably gonna order Gangsta Rap and just have the whole thing. I'ma be doing me. Okay, I'ma quiet down. I am very, very pleased with my results. Time I do it, I'ma try this on hair that is wet. Let me find out I needed to do to make my silk press do what I've been wanting it to do this whole time, because it's doing it. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Hit me up in the comments. Let's chit chat. If you have any questions, say what's up. I'll check you guys out in my next video. Thank you for watching.